Well, hi guys, welcome to this tutorial which is about how to crochet this shoulder strap. And I'm going to use this shoulder strap for a new project which is coming later on, and you will see that. And this is kind of a Tunisian crochet. So I used a t-shirt yarn for this one, because the bag that is coming with it is going to be with a t-shirt yarn, jersey yarn actually. And yeah, so I think it comes out very pretty and very beautiful as a shoulder strap. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I hope you are considering to subscribe, and give me a thumbs up, everybody, on your way out, and share with your friends. Follow me in Instagram, Facebook, social media. You can find all my social media contact info on top of my page, of my homepage on YouTube. And also you can find a lot of patterns, tapestry crochet patterns on my Etsy shop. And with all these things being said, let's just get into it. First, let's make a slip knot. And then have 6 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next go back, insert the hook at the chain number 2 and pull through one loop and keep it. And then the next chain, again do the same thing, insert and pull through and keep the loop. So we have 3. Again, pull through and keep it. The next chain, insert and pull through, and now we have 5 loops. And then the last one, insert and pull through, and we have 6 loops. Okay, so we're going to work with 6 loops. It's a little bit difficult with a crochet hook, but still it's okay. Then yarn under and pull through all the 6 loops, and then find the free side, this one, and then just let them a little bit looser like this. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is pull a little bit far away this one, and in here we have 2 lines. We have the line of the yarn, which means this one, the free one, that if we pull we get more yarn, and we have the other one. We want to work with this one because we need to pull yarn time after time. Okay, so you have to find this yarn, okay, this line. So just insert the hook and here and pull it up. So this is also going to be a kind of a loop, okay, and the second loop, just pull it further on the hook, and then here again you find the line that is movable of this one and pull it up. So now we have 3 loops, and the third loop, just pull it near to the hook, and then find where is the movable line, this one, and pull up. So now we have 4 loops on the hook. The 4th loop down, pull it further near to the hook, insert the hook and pull up. So we have 5 loops, and then the last loop, again we do the same thing, insert the hook and then pull up. Okay, so now we have 6 loops on the hook, in the hook. So we are just going to do the same thing, yarn under and pull through all the 6 loops, and then like this, and then put all the loops looser, okay, give them some space. Okay, so now we have what is going to look like, more or less. Okay, so we're just going to do the same thing that we did underneath. Okay, so pull the first loop near to the hook and make a space here, and find the yarn that is the free one, this one, the movable one, and pull up the second loop, move near to the hook, insert the hook and pull up, and then again move the third loop down, and then insert the hook and pull up. So now we have 4 loops in the hook, and the fourth loop down, move near to the hook, insert the hook, pull up, move the loop down, insert the hook, move up, and now we have 6 loops in the hook. And we're just going to do the same, yarn under and just pull through all the 6 loops, and then give some space to the 6 loops. Okay, give them some space. So yeah, this is step by step, and how this cord is going to look. So how this shoulder strap in my case is going to look. I think it's pretty nice. Okay, so let's just do it now. So you just see it. I'm not gonna talk anymore.